They're basic rights we often take for granted, but Queenslanders will soon be protected by a human rights bill. The new laws will protect 23 key freedoms and mean an overhaul of the Anti-Discrimination Commission.
Both sides of politics stood side by side to condemn domestic violence and pay tribute to the 11 women who've lost their lives this month.
This senseless violence that happens in our community has just got to stop.
Protection from torture, cruel and degrading treatment, just one of the basic principles set to be protected by a human rights bill introduced to Parliament today.
It's about recognising dignity and respect. It's about a modern Queensland, a fair Queensland.
23 basic human rights will be protected, including freedom of expression and cultural rights. Queensland only becoming the third state or territory to have such an act. The Anti-Discrimination Commission will become the Human Rights Commission, and one of its main functions will be to act on complaints.
If any individual feels that there is a breach of their human rights, that they now have a mechanism to engage with that relevant government agency.
The proposed laws don't allow for financial compensation, and they don't mean existing laws could be watered down, like the controversial bikie laws that some could argue may breach an individual's rights.
One of the myths is that these laws will trump existing legislation. That's not the case. These laws don't stop government pursuing policies that government considers is appropriate.
The bill's expected to pass early next year.
Another distraction by a Labor government that should be concentrating on issues that people on the ground are actually worried about.
Ebony Cavallaro, 9 News.
Queensland is watching the #1 news hour.